Thomas Murray's Cash Correspondent monitoring service uses two integrated modules. The first, Orbit Diligence, captures the responses from the Cash Correspondent. The second, Orbit Intelligence, delivers the results. Let's firstly select the questionnaire tool, Orbit Diligence. Using this industry-proven tool, along with a close-end industry-standard Cash Correspondent monitoring questionnaire, Thomas Murray issues and manages the collection, verification, and validation of all responses from banks requested by service participants. All participants have immediate online access to their questionnaire, project, and responses, including a number of customizable oversight dashboards. These show response statuses and summaries in terms of completion rates. The bottom right shows number of responses per market, where you can filter by market, banking organization, completion status, and by the questionnaire submission due date. The top right shows the latest communications with the respondent. An important feature of the tool is the ability to query and record any dialogue with a respondent on their submitted questionnaire responses. Selecting a dashboard allows you to drill down for further information on each questionnaire, including response status, project dates, and also an important percentage completion rate. By clicking on any questionnaire, users can immediately access the submitted final responses. This allows you to communicate with the bank online against any question response for further clarification or discussion with your cash provider. Naturally, all or parts of any response can be downloaded in many formats, with the questionnaire submitted, verified, validated, and scored by Thomas Murray. You can now access the detailed reporting module within Orbit Intelligence. A powerful interactive map allows you to drive your own reporting. The left-hand menu enables you to select your reporting criteria, including jurisdiction and currency. Once your reporting criteria has been selected, you will see a detailed report for any individual bank, where you can see how every question has been scored and then how the response stands when benchmarked against peer responses for that currency or market. You can then benchmark these criteria against your own network of cash correspondents or the entire Thomas Murray universe of responses matching the selected criteria. The results of the selected criteria appear to the right of the menu, in this case showing the 22 risk criteria used to assess the financial and operational risk of a bank. The reporting indicates the score for each operational risk category and how this score compares to other banks for a bank's own network. The text commentary under the chart also provides a benchmark summary critical to assessing a bank. It's an understanding of the market infrastructure in which they operate. Thomas Murray draws on this knowledge in delivering the output, but participants also continue to receive updated market-side intelligence through access to over 100 cash and treasury market profiles, along with news flashes, advising of changes that impact the profiles. Participants are also provided with access to the Thomas Murray ESG score to additionally monitor the ESG rating of each cash correspondent entity. The ESG score is an opinion-based assessment that identifies the risk level that clients are exposed to by using third-party providers. There is a number of different data sources that feed into an ESG score, including the annual cash questionnaire that each assessed entity completes, or an annual review of the report data by the assessed entity, and publicly available information, country index data. The risk methodology actively considers various component factors around the three key comparable and measurable criteria: environmental, social, and governance, ESG. The scale used ranges from 0, extremely high risk, to 1,000, extremely low risk. This allows for easy identification of where a particular entity's ESG strengths and weaknesses lie. Participants are also provided with access to the Thomas Murray Cyber Risk Solution to additionally monitor the cyber risk of each of the cash correspondent entities through a comprehensive dashboard. This clearly identifies the network's external footprint of each provider and security ratings. This objective, non-invasive analysis provides the perfect complement to internal IT security. A network can be visualized geographically, benchmarked against like-for-like companies, and against Thomas Murray's whole universe. The cyber tool allows you to drill down to each individual server, showing issues for remediation, misconfiguration vulnerabilities, phishing, and malware activities as they arise through this weekly updated reporting. The interactive dashboard allows you to make fast and smart security decisions using objective, verifiable data. If you're interested in learning more about this innovative managed service solution, which allows you to monitor financial, operational, ESG, and cyber risks of your cash correspondent Nostro relationships, simply click for a free demo or contact Thomas Murray at inquiries@thomasmurray.com.